guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. Okay, so this is my packing guide for a weekend in a sunny place. We're going to Cabo and we're going Thursday through Sunday, so like just enough days. I'm only bringing a carry-on, but we're gonna do our engagement photo shoot. We're gonna look at venues for our wedding, so like it's kind of a big trip. I want to bring cute outfits but pack like really efficiently. So here's a packing guide for you and I hope that this helps. I'm gonna walk you through all of the outfits I'm bringing and I'll do a little outfit try on haul too, so you can see just like the style I think would go really well with warm weather while staying classy but also really stylish. I'm also going to share what I pack in my carry-on as far as tech. I am bringing my professional camera, the one I'm filming on now, so you can see how I pack that, as well as my toiletries. And yes, Wes and I are packing everything, of course, in our lovely carry-ons. I have the blue one and Wes got the black one. We love to match. We actually have this same exact suitcase in a checked version, and we took that to Punta Cana last month, and it was like literally so spacious and it was perfect. Before we jump in, please hit the subscribe button. I do travel vlogs and I'm actually going to be vlogging this trip as well, so turn on notifications so you can get notified for that, and leave a comment with your next trip destination or your dream trip destination. I would love to hear where you're headed. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so first things first, luggage. These are the Adventure carry-on from Level 8. I do have a coupon code, by the way, so I'm gonna leave it right here and it'll be in the description below along with the links for everything in the video. But I love this color. It's just such a subtle blue. Like, it's so pretty and classy and it looks really like timeless to me, like kind of like old money. And then black, of course, Wes loves the black, and black literally goes with everything, so that's absolutely perfect. My favorite part about these suitcases is how easily they glide. Like, come on, it's so easy to take them through the airport. It's easy to like maneuver them when you're traveling, and they're super lightweight, but they're very durable and incredibly spacious. Like, these are the most spacious suitcases I've ever used. I'm like only use Level 8 now. It's honestly kind of, I'm addicted. All right, so Wes is gonna be packing in this one, which you'll probably see it on the vlog. So make sure you subscribe so you can watch the vlog when it's posted. It'll be Cabo vlog, searching for our wedding venue, something along those lines. And I'm gonna be packing everything in this bad boy right here. I love all of these compartments it comes with. There's actually a zipper right here also. So nice. Also gonna be using these packing cubes from Level 8 to help stay organized.
Mishka, do you love it? Do you love it?
Okay, so I'm gonna put all of my outfits in here and I'm sort of gonna organize it by day, by like morning, evening, night, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're getting there Thursday, so I basically only need like a dinner outfit for Thursday night. So I chose this gorgeous blue satin skirt with a corset yellow top. I think it looks so pretty together. It's very Cabo to me. And it's also like, it's kind of cool. It's not super warm, even though it's satin, it's very thin. And plus, it doesn't take up very much space in the suitcase at all. Friday morning, we are viewing the venue. So I brought two dress options for that. I brought this white dress, which is just flowy and really pretty. And I think I'm gonna decide like when I get there, which one I'm gonna wear. But you know, obviously if you're not venue shopping, I just feel like having a couple different options that are similar would be great, especially things that fold up really nicely. So basically the difference between this one and then this one is how hot is it gonna be. This one's kind of like thicker material, but I almost like it better on, so I'm gonna bring it and I want to wear it. But if it's too hot, obviously, like, I'm not gonna wear it. So that's kind of why I'm waiting to decide when I get there. Okay, Thursday, Friday morning. So Friday day, I'm gonna put my bikinis separate, but with the bikini cover-ups in here. So I didn't actually try this on, but I did bring it to Punta Cana, so I'll show you a picture. It's just like really cute, really classy, and it's not too hot even though it's long sleeve. And then Friday evening, I have this gorgeous pink dress with a scarf. I may or may not wear the scarf depending on weather, but I think it's just so pretty and I've also never worn it. I'm really excited to get those like sunset pictures in it. Okay, so Saturday morning, I'm getting my hair and makeup done by the makeup artist for weddings at the resort just to see if I like it. And then we're gonna do our engagement shoot right after that. So my engagement dress, I don't have yet because I ordered it online from Australia, but I'll put a picture right here. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited, I hope it fits. I am bringing a backup dress. I'm bringing this one, which I'll also put a picture of just in case. It's a very different vibe, but I wanna bring it in case I like want to take more pictures at a different time. So for Saturday after the shoot, just like daytime hangs, regardless of what we do, I brought this little brown dress, which is so fun, playful, flirty, so cute. It's linen, so it's perfect for that warm weather. And obviously it's short and backless, so like I'm gonna be cool no matter what. And I feel like depending on weather, these outfits all give me such versatility. So like for your warm vacation, you know, if you have to have like a little bit cooler day, like maybe there's a breeze, go for the thicker dress that you bring. You know, that's why it's great that I have 2 options for that Friday morning also, because I can like change it up throughout the week. Okay, so this is Saturday day. And then I have this yellow cover up, which I actually have never worn. It's from Pepper Mayo and I absolutely love it. So I'm really excited to actually wear this. This one's a halter. You'll see it in the vlog. And then Saturday evening for dinner, I bought this champagne set. I think it's just so classy and pretty. And like, I don't know, it's kind of giving wedding season, even though it's not white. Like I really like it. And I'm actually really excited to wear this because I've never worn it around Wes and I think he's gonna love it. All right, and then I'm also gonna put my going home plain outfit in here. I'm bringing this dress for the way there, so obviously I'm not gonna pack it in here, but it'll fit really nicely once I bring it home. It's just so comfy and breathable. And then I have this outfit for the plane on the way home. So I'm gonna put this in a different compartment and pack these up in here, but I think it's so cute. It's also linen, so it's not, I know it's pants and a long sleeve, but it's like very versatile. So if I'm hot or cold, it'll work on the plane. And I will be done with this section. This is why packing cubes are amazing. Like that's so many clothes and it just condensed it all so much. So perfect. Okay. All of my outfits took up like half a suitcase, which honestly isn't bad because this is a carry-on size, like overhead bin, carry-on. All right, so I'm gonna put my swimsuits in here and then little like bralettes. Actually, no, just swimsuits in here. I'm bringing this blue swimsuit, which will go perfect with that yellow cover-up. Okay, and then this black swimsuit, it's just so classy and pretty. It'll literally match everything. This is for the brown cover-up, but like it would match the yellow. It'll go with like my dresses. If I want to wear it under a white dress, perfect. And this is my backup swimsuit. It's really cute and super fun, very playful. So, right, that is perfect. Okay, so some pajamas and lingerie in this little bag. It's just such a perfect fit. And then for my bras, pasties, strapless bra, and then underwear, I'm gonna use all of these cute zippers over here. There's a zipper like inside the suitcase that I'm using for my underwear. It's literally the perfect size. Right, and then this is perfect for the pasties and the bralette. Can we just talk about how these hinges are perfect, how it holds the lid open? Okay, and for strapless bra, which is a must, by the way, let's see if it fits here. Oh, literally perfect. Okay, so I need to bring lotion. I'm gonna bring a whole tub of it because my skin is so dry, so this is a must. This stuff is the best. It is a makeup remover and it's literally so gentle and works great. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this Sleek and Stay, and then also this Emu oil because I'm gonna be on a warm vacation where my hair is gonna get frizzy and it's perfect to put in before I get in the pool. This one is for styling my hair. It's just gonna make it like so much easier to style with that frizz. Of course, you need some good face wash for the trip. A travel size hairspray. I normally don't bring this, but because I'm doing the photo shoots, I want to make sure I'm prepared. And then I love TheraBreath. This is literally the best mouthwash ever, and they have these cute little travel size ones. Here are a few sample size skincare that I'm bringing. These are literally perfect for vacations, especially when you only pack a carry-on. I always grab a few that I have lying around and just like kind of mix it up. And then I've been using this every day lately and I love it. It's literally sunscreen, but it also duals as a face lotion. My skin gets really dry, especially in warm weather, so I'm gonna pack this whole thing. So literally all of that fits in this little bag. This is also from Level 8, and I put in some tampons, face wipes or little cotton pads for the micellar water, and then Q-tips, of course. But isn't this bag like so cute and perfect, matching the aesthetic? Okay, so I'm gonna put these in Wes's bag. I ordinarily wouldn't bring something like this on a warm vacation, but this is just for the engagement shoot. Also gonna clean them. And yes, Okay, I'm gonna try and fit these yellow shoes. These will be my like pool shoes, sandals. These I think will match all of my dinner outfits, so it's like a pretty good variety. Okay, so this one hopefully will fit right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, perfect. I'll clip this. Okay, here's toiletries and my lotion. And then I'm gonna leave this whole section on this side for makeup because I really don't bring out much makeup. Woo! Yes. Okay, that is so cool. We have literally pretty much everything. Like my makeup I'll pack obviously right before we leave. So the wedding style shoes, like I normally wouldn't bring that. And the only other thing that I didn't pack yet that could go in either like your purse part of the carry-on or your fiance's bag, which I'm going to do, is a curling iron because I definitely need one of those. Alternatives though that work really, really well. French braid your hair when it's wet, sleep on it, take it out in the morning, and then it'll literally like be so pretty and curly and you don't have to bring any hot tools at all for your vacation. I do that quite frequently. I did that in Punta Cana and it's just like so easy, but because we're doing the photo shoots and everything, I want to make sure like I have hairstyling tools. Okay, so this is literally the perfect purse for like to carry onto the plane. So your carry-on, we're gonna put in the overhead bin, and then this baby holds so much, and it literally is on Amazon for $30. I mean, it was on sale the other day, so I got another color for $15. But it's like perfect. I'll link this in the description too. It has pockets on the side, hidden pockets here, like literally room for everything. This is not sponsored, I just love this bag. So what I do is I have a little purse that I usually like find one that'll match pretty much everything that I take with me like while I'm on vacation, because obviously I don't want to use this bad boy. So in my purse is just like a wallet, lip gloss, my car key, which I probably don't need. And I'm gonna take this, put it inside of the safe little compartment in here. And passport as well. And then I'm gonna bring this Coach wristlet. So basically the reason I'm bringing this is to have a color variation of purses. All I need really is like my ID and like, I don't even think I really need money, maybe lip gloss that I can put in here. So this will be cute for like when I don't wanna wear a darker purse, I can just grab this and it'll fit perfectly. Okay, and then I have this iPhone tripod, which completely collapsible. Voila! So I'm gonna bring this as well. Primarily I'm gonna be filming, or I'm actually gonna be vlogging, so this is great because I've been vlogging with my phone lately and it's just like so much easier. But I'm gonna like put this up if I need like different shots and everything. And then my camera, I'm gonna put in here in a bag. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera bag because it's too big, but let me see. Great, so my camera bag actually does fit in here, so I'm gonna bring it. I'm filming with my camera now, so like I'm not gonna put it in here, but I have this Sony a7 IV, and inside of here I have an extra lens, but yes. So that actually fits in there really nicely, and it literally is like perfect. Okay, so I'm obviously bringing my Canon G7X because why wouldn't I? And I've been keeping it in this little uni bag just because like it's cute and like keeps it protected. And I have like a little thing of headphones, so I'm bringing those. And then I have a hair clip and an extra lip gloss. And honestly, the only other thing is my phone charger, which I'll grab before I go, obviously. But I'm gonna zip up this. Okay, and then what I always do is like I put a water bottle in this one because it fits perfectly. And I put like, or maybe in the back one so I can like have access to my phone. And then I just slip my phone in this one and it's just perfect. And then it also sits like nicely on my carry-on so I could slide it around. See, it's literally perfect. Like it's not too big and it fits under the seat. So yes. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I know I'm like going to Cabo to look for our wedding venue, doing an engagement shoot, but I feel like that's like so much extra to like pack. So you get the gist of things, like pick out your outfits, like have a little bit of versatility, and like I just kind of like, I love dressing up. Like I love dresses, I'm very girly, and so that's just my style. But like if you love like wearing shorts and just like a little bit more casual, it's honestly actually like easier to pack that way because you can have your shorts and then wear like a cute, like a few different variations of tops. Like what I would do in that scenario is bring like a sheer or really lightweight long sleeve. I know it's hot, but like that could be so cute for dinner. And then like a tank top for during the day. And that way you have like a whole different outfit, but like it takes up very minimal space. So please subscribe to my channel. The Cabo vlog will be live pretty soon. We're going next week, and so yes, maybe in a few weeks, but I am literally so excited. Oh, I can't wait. I really hope we love the venue, and I hope that like it's exactly what we want and not crazy expensive. But yes, okay, so leave a comment about your favorite vacation you've ever been on or your dream vacation. I'm super curious to know. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.